Wanna make healthy food. Uh, this soup ingredients we have plum pickles plums. This one. Then we have tomatoes cut into big chunk already. Then we have shredded or can slice very thin ginger. Then we have this one, the dried fish. This one can make more flavorful, nicer the soup. Uh, you need to do fry a little bit and then leave a bit rest. Then blended this one become powder and put inside the soup. Then can put tofu. This one, this kind of tofu, fresh tofu. Then can put also the Japanese mushroom like this. Then we have the fish fillet fish. This fish is red sniper and marinated with white pepper and corn flour. So let's do first the broth or the stock for the soup. We do first the broth, the stock. Here I put 1 liter of water. Then we add half cup chicken stock. Then we put the chunk tomato together. And then the pickled plum. Put one. And then the shredded ginger we put. Then put together at the same time. And wait, let it boil first. Then we continue to put the other things to make more nicer before yung lasang-lasa ang soup natin. Well, so here you go. So we need to cover it. Then wait to boil. So let's check the stock. So here you go. The tomato is cooked already. Then we need add this type of wine. It's a Chinese wine, Shaoxing wine. I put 1 tablespoon. So I put 1 tablespoon that one. Throw in. Then we need put 1 tablespoon fish sauce or patis in Tagalog. Then we put another thing. This one is the I show you before. Dried fish. I blended this one in. 1 tablespoon also add. Pour in. Then stir up. This one is just about 10 minutes boiling. First, I'll put in high heat. Approximately time 2 minutes and then make it slow heat. So just continue. Let's see the stock. There you go. I taste it. Mmm, yummy. Wow. So we can pour now the mushroom. Then let it boil about 2 minutes. Let it cook the mushroom. So, cover again. One, the fish fillet. Then the tofu can pour in together with the fish. Anyway, the fish so fast to cook. Just a while, let it boil. Then the soup is done already. This is one fish soup, very healthy. This one is good for the people those people eating healthy foods. You can do this one also recipe. I just share. And I think it's done already. My soup. Is it? Look. There you go, the two fork. So let it try again the soup. So nice. Mas masarap pag may ano siya. Lalagyan na mo ng sili. Later. I, oh, like this. Sili. The small one or big. I chop two kinds of sili. The big one or the small. The small one, I like this one. Very spicy. Then can put spring onion. Cut already. We make it garnish with this spring onion. So here you go. It's done already my cooking.
This is the soup. Looks guys so healthy and yummy, and guys try this soup, and for me, I really like put chili in my soup. It makes more spicy, and hope you like this video and enjoy. Please give thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below.